Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am FIVERR. Today now I want to show you guys another opportunity of items or things you can actually export from your country to diaspora. For many would think, okay, maybe it's only charcoal. And if you have watched my previous video, I'll try to let you people know that you should not put all your targets on charcoal business, because charcoal business is not something that is not reliable. It does not have future. Anything can happen either now or never or in future, because this is not actually helping your country. You maximizing deforestation because of charcoal you export in favor of other countries. Anytime government may raise the ban on exportation of charcoal, is that when you'll be thinking of what other things you can actually export. So that is why this video is for you. I made this video for you because all your target now is charcoal and you don't want to know or care about any other thing again. So that is why I want you to give me your full attention to watch this video from the beginning to the end. I am FIVERR. If you're very new to my YouTube channel, what you can do to help yourself, because here I train people, I teach people many things. So what you can do to help yourself is just to hit the subscribe button, then turn on the bell, then select all, so that every time I make a video here now, you'll be notified immediately. All right, so give me a like on this video and drop your comments. All right, so now the one I want to show you now is exportation of gum arabic. Exportation of gum arabic. For many of you that don't know what gum arabic is all about, I will quickly show you now, so that I will now be telling you more things about this business. It's very lucrative. Gum arabic, you don't have it, you don't know how to get it, I will tell you about and I'll tell you those things in this video now. So let me quickly show you what gum arabic is all about now before we proceed with this training. So let's go, guys. So if you don't know what gum arabic is, I search this on a Google now, say gum arabic, and look at the picture of gum arabic. So if this is your first time of seeing gum arabic, you can type it on Google so that to know more about gum arabic. Once you type it on Google and search for it, you will see details information about gum arabic. You know that probably you have seen this thing before. Then one more thing I want you to know is that gum arabic have different grades. They have a grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. So the more the grade is, the more your money, how you can make money from this. So grade 1 is very costly and is in favor for you if you are selling grade 1 of gum arabic. I will put this in practical now. We'll go to some sites to check some of these things, and let's go to, okay, this is trade key, right? So let me search for gum arabic here now. So this is gum arabic. I'll click on search button now. So guys, look at gum arabic here. So grade A gum arabic appearance, so this guy wrote many things about this now. So grade is grade A. So this will cost, and this person is from Nigeria here, selling grade A. So this is another person. This one is from Cameroon. So Cameroon, Senegal, Nigeria, these people usually sell gum arabic. So look at this one also. This one is from Saudi Arabia. We're pleased to offer gum arabic sharp a grade origin. So this one is also a grade A. So grade A, grade B, grade C, you can sell them. It's either grade A, grade 1, or grade 2, grade B, grade 3, grade C. So the grade will determine the price. So I open one of it now. This is from Cameroon. Look at the FOB price, 900 to 1,200 per ton. So some would say $11 per kg, right? But this one is within 900 to 1,200 per ton. So minimum order is 10 ton for this one. Packaging details is bag. So I quickly come to Alibaba now to search for this gum arabic here. So gum arabic now, see different thing given me here. Gum arabic powder, gum arabic, So let me just search for gum arabic here and let's see the results. Fine, look at this now. Per kg is $4 to $5 per kg. This one, shipping to be negotiated. This one is $3 to $6 per kg. So if I continue scrolling down now, you'll be seeing different prices, different supplier for this gum arabic from here. So let's check the price in Nigeria. That's another thing that's very important. Price in Nigeria. And if you have been following my training, I usually tell you guys that you should go down where you can see price at a very cheaper rate. So gum arabic now see 200 naira, and Nigeria has 3 grades of gum arabic, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. So look at this now, information given here. So you have to know where you can get gum arabic at a very cheaper rate, very cheaper rate. So now, as you can see, gum arabic is very lucrative if you can do it. If you're from Nigeria here now, if you check into the northern part of this country, you can get good grade of gum arabic from there, and they have it at a larger quantity from northern part of this country. Also, one more thing I need to tell you about this for whoever wants to go into this business. The global market for gum arabic is valued at $363 million. Europe leads the pack with $174 million, and followed close by Asia, North America, Africa, and other regions. Major buyers include the US, France, Germany, India, China, and United Kingdom, accounting for roughly 50% of market share. So if you want to look for buyers now, I've given you the target country you can get buyers from. For many of you that are following my class and the paid class, not here, paid class, I've shown you guys secret of getting legit buyers for whatever thing you want to export. So the country you can target now, you have seen it from here now, what I just gave you now, guys. So let's talk about the packaging. For this, packaging plays a vital role in maintaining the quality of gum arabic during exports. So you have to opt for clean, moisture resistant packaging material to prevent any damage. Okay, whether it's sack or bags, ensure they are food grade, airtight, and properly labeled. Protect the gum arabic from direct sunlight and moisture exposure, and consider using UV resistant materials. So now let's talk about the challenges you may encounter with this business of gum arabic exportation. Foreign matters and moisture are significant concerns. Ensure proper training for harvesting to minimize impurities and prevent microbial contamination. So proper handling and packaging are key to avoid insect infestation and physical contaminants. So now let's talk about the paperwork now. That will be one of the things that's very important for you guys. So apart from standard export documents like invoice and licenses, don't forget about phytosanitary and fumigation certificate. These two are very important. Phytosanitary and fumigation certificates. For this, you have to provide certificate for that based on the item, the product you're exporting for your clients. So it's very important. Apart from export documentation, don't forget export documentation, phytosanitary and fumigation certificates. Those things are very important if you want to go into this. So for many of you that I talk about letter of credit and many things like that, these are the part of the document you will have together. Maybe you don't understand. For people that are into my mini export class, paid class students, they will understand what I'm talking about. All these are very important. So these are essential for shipping gum arabic and other similar commodities safely to their destination. All right, so this is what I have for you guys. If you think this video is very important for you, like you grab one or two things, please give me a like on this video and hit the subscribe button. I have given you one now. Gum arabic is one of it that's very important. So all you have to do is how much, because if you have known how to get this buyer for gum arabic, how much, negotiate the price you are getting it there now, how much can you get it from Nigeria here also, and see the profit difference. If you see that this is very profitable for you, then you can go ahead. But if you see like the price you are selling this thing in your country or your location where you can get this thing, and compared to international price now, and you see that there's no much profit there, you just leave it. There are many more I will open your eyes to here in my channel. I still have many more to tell you about here. So all you have to do is ensure you are following up with my updates, and you can also join my community here. Just check the comment box or description box. You can join me on WhatsApp. I have a WhatsApp group for my fans and Telegram channel for my fans. You can also join. And this is a paid advert I want to give you guys now. If you love mini importation business, or you have things you want to import and you'll be looking for a reliable group you can join for pre-order, I have it. Just check the description box, or you can connect connect with me, just check the comment box. I'll drop the link there also. There are many links I will drop in the comment box, so make sure you look for that pre-order link here. Go and join that WhatsApp group. So thank you guys for your patience. If you want to learn more about how to export, I have made a lot of videos that are actually helping people. People have been thanking me in a lot with videos I've made in the past about exportation business. If you also want to benefit from this, go and watch the video here. If you have interest in mini importation business, go and watch this video here. If you have interest in the free grant for your business, free money for your business, whatever, go and watch this video. Thank you guys for your love and for your patience with me. I love you guys. Bye for now.